Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Karen.
In this video, I'm going to use some pins, different kinds of fabric, yellow, red, and brown, green felt fabric, stuffing, thread and needle, scissors, and glue gun. Take yellow fabric, measure 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters, 10 by 10 centimeters, and cut. Okay, so now you have pieces like this. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cut 6 pieces. Take your thread and needle. Thread your needle. Take one of these. Fold like this. And then fold again. And sew right here. Fold another one and take this one and continue sewing. Okay, when you have joined all of your pieces, pull. After pulling, when you are satisfied with the shape, then join here. Here. Sew here. Okay, so I have something like this. Put this aside.
Subscribe.
Take red fabric and cut a small circle like this one. I decided to use felt fabric because this fabric is very difficult to work on. So I'm going to use felt fabric, so I'm going to sew right round. It's also about 10 centimeters from here to here. The circle doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so sew like that. Do a loose stitch again. Okay, when you get here, pull. And then take your stuffing and insert. Okay, secure the thread. Okay, like that. So now take your flower. At this point, use the glue gun. Okay, put this aside and take your brown fabric. Let's make a stem for your flower.
Subscribe.
Okay, cut a strip that is 4 centimeters from here. That is 4 centimeters from here to here, and 15 centimeters from here to here. Okay, so take a paper or a box or something that is hard, a paper that is hard, and then cut it like this. Okay, it's done. So now take your stem and then you can either sew it or you can use your glue gun. Now take a paper and draw some leaves like this. Take green felt, put here, and then cut. Okay, like that. Remove pins. Right, and take your flower and put here. You can leave your flower like this, but I decided to do this. Okay, your flower is done. You can decorate as you wish.
Subscribe. Thank you for watching. Maitabasane kuona mite kurete arigato. Bye.